Hello guys, I just want to do a quick video on the ACE assignments. These ACE assignments, which stands for Achievement Career Excellence, will be in multiple classes that you'll have throughout um, your, uh, your your courses at Baker. And again, it stands for Achievement Career Excellence. They're designed to help you um, do better in the long run in your chosen profession. So that's the reason that they're doing them, right? So ultimately, you're going to need them for a capstone course, which is why you're doing them, and they are not for any points. However, you need to be careful because they are necessary in the long run. And just to let you know, the dean has suggested to the instructors that that if the student completely ignores the ACE assignments, that the final grade, not one grade, but the entire course grade, get lowered by one course, by one letter grade. Hopefully, it's not going to come to that, and it's going to be a moot point. But just to let you know, so if that was to end up being the case, there would be no. You could complain to the dean, but it's the dean's idea. So I don't think that would go very far. So just to let you know about that in advance. Ultimately, you're putting forth a little bit of effort for your own benefit in your career. So let's go ahead and just clarify what's going to happen. If you look in Module 1, you see the assignments. There's really just two, even though there's four listed here. The professional credentials summary, and then there's a rubric for it, and then there's the professional organization summary, and there's a rubric for it. So really, you just do the summary for both, and they're just forms. They're not very difficult to complete. You're then to submit them in Module 6 when they're completed. If you go into modules, enter the assignment module, assignment submissions, and select there, you'll find a place for you to submit that when Module 6 occurs. At that point, you would get feedback from me. However much feedback that would be will depend on the assignment you submit. And then if you wanted to, you could resubmit in 8 if you wanted to, maybe if you had some corrections or something you wanted to add to it, you could submit it again in 8. After that was completed and you submitted it in 8, you need to upload into Handshake. So Handshake is for the long term, where you're going to have multiple classes that are going to have assignments, and they're all going to be part of that. And then in the end, in your capstone course BC1010, you'll have to use what you've submitted in the past. So I think that kind of clarifies what needs to be done. Let me see. Hold on one second. Okay, I came back to the Module 1 where the ACE assignments are. And just to tell you about the rubrics, they're not really going to be used for grading since the assignments for 0 points. However, they are useful for you as a way to make sure that you've covered all the parts of the assignment. Hopefully, this is not going to be a big deal for you, but it will be something that will be useful for you. So a little bit of effort will hopefully go a long way and be kind of like an investment of your time for improvement in your future. At least that's the idea, right? So good luck with that, and I'll see you in class.